Hello random roamers, today we visit the incredible city of Rome, the capital and the largest city of Italy.
Rome, Rome, Rome. It's grabbing my heart.
On arrival, Rome city feels raw, fast and exciting. Our accommodation on this stay was at the NH Collection Palazzo Cinquecento near the Termini station. The rooftop bar of this hotel is the perfect place to watch the sunset over Rome. We can see this golden statue from our hotel room. It's called the Sacred Heart of Jesus, designed by the Turin sculptor Enrico Cattaneo. The sculpture was crafted in Milan by Riccardo Politi. It represents Don Bosco's devotion to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. The Colosseum is within walking distance of the Hotel Cinquecento, and its immensity is almost unbelievable. It had the capacity to hold between 50 to 80,000 spectators and is the largest ancient amphitheatre ever built. Construction commenced under Emperor Vespasian between 69 and 79 AD, and it was completed by his heir Titus in 80 AD. So the Colosseum is built of travertine limestone, volcanic rock, and Roman concrete. And despite being damaged by earthquakes and stone robbers, the Colosseum is a spectacular sight and remains a celebrated symbol of Imperial Rome. So now we come to the Arch of Constantine, which is a triumphal arch dedicated to the Emperor Constantine the Great. The arch was constructed in commemoration of Constantine's victory over Maxentius in AD 312 at the Battle of Milvian Bridge. So the arch sits between the Colosseum and the Palatine Hill, and it's the largest Roman triumphal arch built. It is 21 meters high and 25.9 meters wide, and is constructed of concrete and covered in marble. Here we come to the Spanish Steps. The Trinita de Monti Church stands on the hill behind the steps.
steep ramps or flight of steps. Converging, diverging, so this is a way invented by the artists that made this beautiful staircase, Francisco design, to make it less steep. You know, before this staircase was made, there was simply a slope of a hill that was full of earth and vegetation, and so they found it not really easy to do. And so that is what they wanted to create in order to make this great instrument.
On the left here is the Vittoriano monument, and on the right is one of the incredible statues in front of the monument. The Vittoriano is a national monument built between 1885 and 1935.